All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Haven't done a voiceover for a while, so let's get to it. Working in this warehouse today, basically just changing out light bulbs for the whole day. I thought they wanted me to move the lights or something, repipe some stuff. Maybe they changed their mind. Maybe this was a different job site. But anyways, just went to this job site down the road and changed out these light bulbs in this warehouse all day. So they rented me this aerial lift right here as like a 32 footer, I think, or 26 foot or something like that. It was only like 16 to 18 feet off the ground to the light. So I went ahead and changed out like, I don't know, at least like 20 or 30 of those driving around in the lift. Changed the first ballast in the first one, but I don't think I really needed to. And then I moved into the office area and I went ahead and changed out another 20 or 30 light bulbs at least. Basically changing out a set, so if one of the lights was dead and there's 2 4-foot lamps in these lights, so if one of them was dead I changed out both of them, so using extra light bulbs, but luckily I had enough, so I just had to pull the cover down on those. It was super annoying, but most of them weren't too bad, or some of them were pretty bad, but a few of them were pretty nice. Basically just have to push it to one side and then the lens swings down. So the first one was really tricky, but other than that, it went good. And then this one didn't have the right light bulbs for it because they were a U-shape, and my coworker thought they were just going to be a regular straight one for a 2-foot bulb. And then I went outside and had to take down this HID, I believe it was. The really old light bulb in a circle or rectangle, whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to replace this whole wall pack tomorrow on the outside of the building, and then also replace a couple more light bulbs and a couple different fixtures, which I didn't get a picture of. But that's what I did for the beginning of the day for the first 8.5 hours. And then, all right, guys, back here at the panel shop with my love child. Finally just got the pieces to install. I just forgot the name of those, but those are going to go right here where the temporary ones were going. I think those were the ice cube relays or something like that. Controls, something like that. One of these control modules. So I got 2 of these. So I have to cut some of the DIN rail, cut the DIN rail off right here, and then just screw this to the backboard right here. Tap some holes. So that's just going to tap on there. There's a couple of those getting tapped on there. And then I'm going to try to land those wires if they're not short, because these have probably a different number layout than the ones in there that were temporary. I have to remount this breaker right here. Down here, might have to tap some new holes for that as well, but I think the old screws might have just been bad, so that my old screw holes might still work. So we'll see about that. Reland these wires. And then over here got the other love child, which my other coworker was working on. So got this ginormous monster bolted down right here. I'm gonna start mounting the panduit tomorrow in the shape on the print, which is basically just going to go down the top here, and then 2 little ones down here, and then a DIN rail in the middle. And then just got these screwed down right here, or bolted down. And then got the ginormous breaker over here, which is going to get another one of those pieces, which I don't know the name of as well. It's going to get a giant one of these, the breaker, which goes into the breaker, and then drill a hole through the door, and then when you open the door it disconnects it, so it turns off the power and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get a ginormous one of those on top of this bad boy right here, and then gonna land those wires from the breaker into this right here, and that's really dirty, I just got greasy. And then land the panduit wires into, or not the panduit wires, the so like I was saying, not the panduit wires, but the wires off of the terminal block in between the panduit off of the DIN rail into the channel up to the side, probably sticky back here, and then into the blocks up there.